Hi everybody, this is Mr. LaFond, and I just wanted to give you a short video today that'll help you a little bit with the homework for 10-1. We're talking about area formulas for triangles and quadrilaterals here. So I think for the most part, this should be a fairly straightforward section. Mainly you just have to be able to use the formulas. All right, so I'm just going to walk you through a couple of different problems. One of them is number 5, which is a fairly straightforward problem, just solving for one of the variables in the problem. And then with number 6, is a little more algebraic in nature, but the same basic idea applies. So let's start off with number 5. So number 5, obviously you can look at the picture and you see it's a triangle. And you want to solve for the base of the triangle in which the area is 58.5 square inches. And you can also see the height, if you look at the picture of that triangle. Well, you can see that pretty easily, but the height is 9 inches from the picture. Okay, so basically all you got to do is solve for the base. So I'm going to plug in with everything I know right into the formula. So it's 58.5 is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height, which I know to be 9. All right, so I'll multiply that out. 1/2 times 9 is 4.5. B is equal to 58.5. Divide the 58.5 by the 4.5, and we get a base of, let me check my math, 13 inches. All right, fairly straightforward. Now let's look at problem number 6. These are a little more complicated. So you have a couple of things here. You were solving for base 1 of a trapezoid, okay, in which you have an area of, and it's algebraic now with a variable, but that doesn't really change how you do it. So our area is 48x plus 68 square inches. The height is 8 inches, and the base 2 is 9x plus 12 inches. Okay, so to do this, all you need to do is set it up using the formula. So I'm just using the formula. So area is the 48x plus 68 inches. 48x plus 68. Okay, is equal to 1/2, parentheses. Base 1 is what we're solving for. It's base 1. Plus base 2, which is 9x plus 12. Okay. And then times the height, which is 8. Okay. So let's see here. I think the easiest thing to do first is to combine the 1/2 and the 8. All right, so 1/2 times 8 is 4. And then I'll clean it up a little bit. So it's 4 times base 1 plus 9x plus 12. And now I'm going to distribute through with that 4. So I get 4b1 plus 36x plus 4 times 12 is 48. All right, and I still have 48x plus 68 over here. Alrighty, so I want to isolate this right here, okay? So what that means is I need to get all the x's and the constants to one side. So I'm going to subtract the 36x and the 48 to get the 4b1 alone. All right, so let's see. I do 48x minus the 36x. Well, that's pretty easy. 48 minus 36 is 12x. Okay, and then I do the 68 minus 48 is 20. And all I got left is 4b1. All right, almost done. The last thing I need to do is just to get the b sub 1 alone, to divide by that 4. So that's all I have to do. So I'm going to do that. And so what I get is the base sub 1 is equal to 12x divided by 4 is going to be 3x. And then 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, so my solution, if you want to be precise about it, is 3x plus 5 inches. Okay, and you're all done. So you can see these with the variables is more complicated. There's some algebra involved, but basic idea still applies, right? So basically you start with the formula, you substitute in what you know, and you solve for the missing variable. Okay, short video today. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your time.